Welcome to this workshop. So this is about data science and Python programming language. Today is our first session and we'll be primarily looking at data science and machine learning. Let me have a quick introduction of myself. I'm Nilab Nischal and I'm the author of Python Made Easy. It's a book meant for making Python easy for new aspirants. I run marathons, I do cycling, long distance cycling, and quite all things which are fun. Similarly, I'll request all of you not to be too serious about it. Have fun, because if you're not having fun, you're not actually learning something. So I'm super excited to meet you all today. I hope you guys are excited too. So let's start our session from here. This is the workshop outline. In week 1, we'll have sessions on data science in Python. I'll introduce you to data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence today. And then we'll have introduction to programming in Python. In week 2, we'll have Python in Jupyter Notebook, where you'll learn to write your first code. Then we'll have control flow. There are some people from computer science background, as I saw from your Google form submissions, and they will be knowing about what is a control flow, what are variables, objects, and control flow statement. Don't worry. For everybody else as well, we'll be covering them from the very basics. And then week 4 will be culmination with functions and modules. We'll discuss some real life projects, and there are Python tools which make things easy for you: NumPy, Pandas, and visualization intro with Matplotlib and Seaborn. So this is how this entire workshop looks like. Now we'll start with complete introduction to data science. So in this session, we'll first see why do we need data science. Ultimately, going to learn a subject, we need to understand that do we at all need it? Is it anyway important in our day-to-day life? Then we'll see what is data science, and then a very important question: how can I become a data scientist? Or for that matter, how can you become a data scientist? What tools does a data scientist use? What does a data scientist do, and how does it do it?